those seed ticks. They can get what's coming to them. Death by fire. It's very satisfying when they pop. I can hear all their hopes and dreams going away. Who needs it next? I've done what I can do. Anybody?
I didn't get any.
We're putting in a silt fence here at the pond job that we're working on. But the ticks are so bad that we're having him clear a path through the woods first. Don't mind the way that machine sounds. It sounds awful, I know, but I've never seen anything like the ticks out here. They are so bad.